Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can purchase a Planet Watch license or tokens. If you do find value from this video, please show some love to the channel and I'll leave any relevant links in the description below. First of all, in order to purchase Planet tokens, you will require 1. A crypto or exchange wallet such as Binance or Coinbase in order to transfer crypto. Number 2. An account with Bitfinex, which is currently the only platform which sells Planet tokens. And number 3, an Algorand wallet which will be used to pay for the license. I know it might seem confusing, but to get into projects early, sometimes you have to overcome some hurdles. And in this video, I will help you to do that. Step 1. Open up a Bitfinex account. In your web browser, type in bitfinex.com. If you do not have an account already, select Sign Up. Fill up the username, email and password details, and then select Open Account. Access your email and select Complete Login. You will now be prompted to scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. You will require to activate the two-factor authentication. The best app to do this is Google Authenticator. If you have not downloaded the app, you can find it within the Google Play or Apple Store. Once downloaded, you can select the plus icon and then scan the QR code. Scan the code on Bitfinex in order to add the platform to the list. Now type in the 6-digit number provided and click Enable. Access your email to confirm the 2FA. Step 2. Prepare for payment. If you head over to planetwatch.io, click on Buy and then click on Licenses. In this tutorial, I'll be purchasing 2 Type 1 licenses. Select how many years you want the license to run, input the amount you will purchase, select Add to Cart, and you will be presented with the total amount. In my case, I will need to ensure I purchase a minimum amount of €500 of Planet tokens, which is approximately worth $580 at the time of this video. To avoid any failed transactions, remember to add approximately $10 to $15 extra just in case to cover any small fees. I will show you what I mean within the next step. Step 3. Purchasing crypto. If you are new to Bitfinex, you are required to run a KYC verification in order to withdraw or deposit stablecoins. This can delay the process of purchasing Planet tokens by days or weeks. Luckily, there is a workaround. You will have to purchase an alternative crypto from an exchange like Binance, transfer it to Bitfinex, and then convert it to USDT. The crypto I'll be transferring is Algorand, as it only costs approximately 0.02 cents in transaction fees when sending it over to Bitfinex. Just to note, you can purchase and transfer any crypto that is supported by Bitfinex. I have provided all supported crypto in the link below. Open your Binance app, select Wallet, and ensure you have the right amount of USDT available. In my case, I need a minimum of $580 plus $10 to $15 extra in order to purchase 2 Type 1 licenses and cover any transaction fees. Next, select Markets, then type in Algo and select Algo/USDT. Select Buy and type in the amount of USDT required. I'll be adding more USDT as I plan to purchase another Type 4 license in the near future. Then click on Buy Algo. You should now have Algo ready to send over to Bitfinex. Step 4. Transferring Algo to Bitfinex. In the Binance app, select Wallets and then select Withdraw. Type in Algo and select it. You will now need the correct Algo address on Bitfinex. Head back over to Bitfinex, select Wallet on the top right hand corner and click on Deposit. Scroll down on the left hand side and select Algorand. Under the exchange field, click to generate address. Then copy the address to your clipboard. I personally copied it to my notes and airdropped it to my iPhone and then pasted it into the address field. Under the amount field, select Max. As you can see, Algo has a super low transaction fee of only 0.01. Then select Withdraw and Confirm. Type in your 2-step verification codes and you should now have successfully sent the Algo over to your Bitfinex account. It approximately takes 5 minutes for the transaction to send over, and you can cross-check by selecting Wallet, then Wallets, and searching for Algo, which leads me to step 5, setting up an Algorand wallet. The reason we require an Algorand wallet as this is what is used in order to purchase the license and for Planet Watch to track your order. Downloading and setting up a wallet is fairly straightforward. You can search for Algorand wallet in the Google Play or Apple Store. Download the app and select Add Account. Select Create New Account. I understand and I am ready to begin. You will now be provided with 25 recovery phrases. It is important to keep these safe, as if you lose these, you won't be able to access your account. You will then be prompted to select 6 of the keywords. Once selected, give your account a name, and you will now have successfully created a wallet. Step 6. Adding Planet asset to your wallet. It is required to add Planet as an asset to your wallet. However, if you try to add the asset with no Algo crypto in your wallet, it will be denied, as there is a small fee of 0.201. So you're required to send a small amount of Algo from Bitfinex to your wallet. You can do that by selecting the code icon and copying your address. On the Bitfinex platform, select Wallet, Withdraw, and choose Algorand. Paste the copied address into the address field and type in the amount of Algo you require to send. 2 or 3 Algo will do. Ensure Exchange Wallet is selected, agree to the terms and select Request Withdrawal. Again, enter your 2-factor authentication and then type the confirmation number as shown above. Then confirm withdrawal. Open up your email and confirm the transaction. If you give it 5 minutes or so, you should see the amount within your Algorand wallet. You can now add Planet assets by selecting Add New Asset, search and click Planets, then click Approve. In a few minutes, you will see Planets is now an asset within your wallet, which brings me to step 7, purchasing Planet tokens. The process will now be to exchange your Algorand for USDT, which will allow you to purchase and transfer Planet tokens. You can do this by heading back into Bitfinex, select on Trading, and under the search field, type in Algo. Scroll down and select the Algo against the USDT pair. Under Order Form, switch Limit to Market, and select the red dot which inputs all of your Algorand available for sale. Then select Exchange Sell. If you go under Wallet, then Wallets, you should now have USDT to purchase Planets. Again, click on the Trading tab. Now under the search field, type in Planets, and select the Planets against USDT pair. Under Order Form, switch Limit to Market, and this time select the green dot to purchase the full amount of Planet tokens with your USDT. Then click Exchange Buy, and then OK. If you head back into Wallets, you should now have Planet tokens available to send to your Algorand wallet. Step 8. Transferring Planet tokens. Within Bitfinex, select Wallet, Withdraw, and click on Planets. The address which requires to be entered will be found in your Algorand wallet. Open up the wallet, select Planet, and then Receive. Copy the address and then paste it into the address field. Click on Exchange located on the right hand side. This will auto-populate the amount field. Ensure Exchange Wallet is selected. Check the Terms and Conditions box and select Request Withdrawal. Again, type in the 2FA code and then type in the confirmation number as shown above and confirm withdrawal. Open up your email and confirm the transaction. If you give it 5 minutes or so, you should now see all the Planet tokens within your Algorand wallet. And finally, step 9, purchasing your license. Again, visit planetwatch.io. Click on Buy, Licenses, and choose the type of license you require. Then select Buy Now. Select how many years you want the license to run, type in the amount required, and add to cart. Select Proceed to Checkout. Fill in all your billing details, confirm the terms and conditions, and select Pay with Bloomy. Enter the billing information and select Proceed. Ensure to choose the correct wallet. For this video, we used the Algorand wallet. Take note of the amount of planets you require to send over. Open up your Algorand wallet, select the 2-arrowed icon, click Send, and then select Planet. Under the amount field, it is important you type in the exact amount that is required to be paid as shown on the Planet Watch page. Under the To field, select Scan the QR code, and again scan the QR code on the Planet Watch page. Click Approve, Preview, and select Planet. You will now be presented with a Payment Successful screen, followed by an invoice of your order. And that's it, you are now ready to mine Planet once you receive your device. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, and keep those notification bells on. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.